If your child is potty trained but still having nighttime accidents after age 4, GoodNites Underwear are right for them. GoodNites Underwear are 40% more absorbent than training pants to protect growing kids. They have new 25% stretchier sides to fit and move like underwear. And they fit many body shapes and sizes. Their absorbent protection is right where boys and girls need it. Plus, their new vibrant designs look like kids' daytime underwear. Find what's right for night tonight. Try GoodNites Underwear from the #1 nighttime protection brand.